Unraveling, Twiddle One's Thumbs, a deep dive. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, twiddle one's thumbs. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a colorful layer to your English communication. So, let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase and learn how to use it effectively in our conversations. The phrase, twiddle one's thumbs, is used to describe a situation where a person is not doing anything productive or is idle. To twiddle your thumbs means to literally rotate or fiddle with your thumbs around each other, often as a way to pass the time when there's nothing else to do. This action is symbolic of boredom, inactivity, or waiting without purpose. The origins of twiddle one's thumbs trace back to a time when people needed to convey the concept of idleness or waiting without engaging in any meaningful activity. Twiddle itself means to turn, spin, or fiddle with something aimlessly. Combining it with thumbs, the phrase vividly captures the essence of doing something trivial or aimless as a way to pass time. Understanding how to incorporate twiddle one's thumbs into your conversations can greatly enhance your expressive ability. Here are a few examples. I was just twiddling my thumbs, waiting for the meeting to start. She didn't want to twiddle her thumbs all weekend, so she signed up for a pottery class. During the power outage, we found ourselves twiddling our thumbs, unsure of what to do without electricity. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, always relating to passing time without specific intent or activity. While twiddle one's thumbs is a phrase understood and used in many English-speaking cultures, it's interesting to note how universally the concept of idleness can be expressed. In many languages, there are similar phrases or idioms that capture the essence of waiting or being idle. This phrase, therefore, not only enriches your English vocabulary but also connects you to a universal human experience. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, twiddle one's thumbs. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning, origins, and usage of this colorful expression. Remember, learning such phrases not only enhances your language skills but also makes your communication more vivid and relatable. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to twiddle your thumbs a bit as you ponder over the next phrase to learn. See you in the next video.